These are the top stories of the week. Sony's PlayStation VR headset gets a price, Microsoft opens up Xbox Live, and everything else you need to know. Sony's announced details about its new PlayStation VR headset. The PlayStation 4 accessory will cost $399 and will be available in October. Of course, you'll need a PlayStation 4 to use it, but you'll need other accessories too. The VR needs a PlayStation camera, or it won't work at all. You'll also want PlayStation Move controllers as well. Sony says there will be up to 50 games available at launch. Meanwhile, Microsoft announced it will enable developers to build Xbox Live games that could let players game against people not using Xbox Live. That's right, that would mean Xbox Live users could go head-to-head with players on the PlayStation, in theory. Speaking to GameSpot, PlayStation executive Adam Boyes said Sony is open to the idea of PlayStation Network Xbox Live crossplay, but stopped short of making any announcements. Until Sony gets on board with this, Rocket League will be the first game to allow Xbox One and PC players to play together. And speaking of games, a human games champion has been defeated by a computer again. Google's ALPHAGO took on SEDOL in a series of 5 games. They were playing a game called Go, which is one of the oldest board games ever, and it is far more complex than chess. ALPHAGO won the first 3 games. Here's what happened in the 4th game.
Oh, looks like ALPHAGO has resigned.
Wow.
That would be the only game SEDOL would win. ALPHAGO won the 5th game, so the final score was man 1, machine 4. There's so much more to know, it's time to go rapid fire. Google is now offering $100,000 to anyone who can hack a Chromebook in guest mode. A new iOS malware has been detected. It's called Ace Deceiver. The twist is, it can also infect non-jailbroken Apple devices. Microsoft is now updating older Windows 8.1 phones to Windows 10 Mobile. Nike introduced self-lacing shoes called HyperAdapt 1.0. Yep, it's a lot like those self-lacing sneakers in Back to the Future 2. Daredevil Season 2 arrived on Netflix on March 18th, and Apple is holding an event on Monday, March 21st. It's expected to introduce new iPhones and iPads. Now you're all caught up in tech. To get your daily dose of tech news, check out cnet.com/update. For a weekly dose, hit up cnet.com/radar. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, signing off.